Welcome to Artificial Professor. In this video I will explain how to stop WhatsApp pictures and video if they are going automatically to your mobile phone gallery. So it's a problem. Mostly people facing this problem means they don't know about what kind of picture and the video, but the videos and the pictures are already in their gallery. So how can you solve this problem? So let's open your WhatsApp app. After it open, simply tap on the three dots which are at the right top and tap on the last option Settings. From here, tap on this option Chats. Now, as you see, here is the option Media Visibility. Show newly downloaded media in your device gallery. Simply turn it off. After turning it off, go back and tap on this option Storage and Data. So as you see, here is the option when using mobile data. Tap on this one and simply if these features are on means photos, audio and video. It means when your friend will send you pictures and some kind of music and also the videos. Then it will automatically download when you are using a mobile phone data. So turn off all these and enable documents, and it is the rare thing means that the friends send to each other after this. Tap on the option OK, and if you are a Wi-Fi user, then simply tap on this one and again, turn off all these and set this also to the documents. Tap on the option OK. So after setting up all these things, you will not be able to receive any kind of picture and also the video directly to your mobile phone gallery until you download by yourself. So by this way, you can stop pictures and video going to your mobile phone gallery. If this videos was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.